Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix the Roblox Error Code 277 network issue, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix this. So first thing that we need to do is once you are in that error, close the application and then just make a restart of your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then restart your computer. Then right after you have restarted your computer, then try again if the issue is still there. And if in some cases the issue is still persisting, then move to the next method. In the Windows search bar, open a browser. It could be Edge or Google Chrome. And we need to check the Roblox status. So type here status.roblox.com. It's status.roblox.com and hit on enter. Now, if everything states right here that all systems operational, then that is a good news for you. But if not, then you need to wait for this until it states here that all systems are operational. Just go back to the same site, status.roblox.com. And then once this is done, next method is we need to flush the DNS by a command. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD to open the command prompt. Best match command prompt. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. In here, type ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. It's ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS and hit on enter. It will state that successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Type exit and hit on enter. And then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your computer. And then try and then launch the Roblox application after you have restarted your computer. Next method is we can also use the Google's DNS. So press the Windows key and R button together to open the run window. Type here ncpa. It's ncpa.cpl. ncpa.cpl and click on OK. Then here, all the network connections will appear in this window. Now, if you are connected to Ethernet or Wi-Fi, then just do the same process. Make a right click and then select Properties. Then here in the Wi-Fi properties, you have the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Here in the IPv4 properties, you need to click on this Use the following DNS server addresses. We are going to use the Google's DNS. So for the preferred one, type 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate one, type 8.8.4.4. Once done, click on OK. And then close this and close this window. Next method is we need to run the network troubleshooter. So click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane, click on system. Scroll down and look for troubleshoot. This one, click on this. Click on other troubleshooters. And if you find the network and internet with the run button corresponding to it, so go ahead and click on that. Running the network troubleshooter, this will help you detect the problem that you are facing in your Windows. And once the problem or the issue has been detected, it will give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can solve the issue. So in my case, there is no problem, but in your case, you might receive a different message. Then just go ahead and follow the recommendations that it suggests. So this is also a good way of fixing the issue. Once done, we also need to make sure that our Windows is up to date. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane, click on Windows Update. Then click this button for Check for Updates, and this will download and install the updates of your Windows. So you need to make sure your Windows is up to date. Once done, close this. And then if the issue still persists, then what you'll have to do is you need to uninstall the application. But before we can uninstall the application, let me give you a simple add to that methods that I have shared to you. A simple method or a simple solution. This is to switch from you are connected to a Wi-Fi and you are facing that error. You face that error with that connection. Now what you'll have to do is you can switch connecting to another network, or it could be mobile data or you can try switching to another Wi-Fi network. So try that first before you can uninstall the application. So if that works, then good. But if not, then you need to completely uninstall the application. Click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane, click on apps, installed apps. In here, search for Roblox. This one, click on these three dots and then select uninstall. So once you have uninstalled the application, just visit a browser. It could be Edge or Google Chrome. Then just type right here Roblox download. Then www.roblox.com. First option will appear, download Roblox. Click on that. Then here you just need to click on download for Windows app, and the installer file will be downloaded right here. Then you just have to double click on that, and the Roblox will be reinstalled into your Windows, and it will have a fresh start, so it will fix the issue for you. I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button, and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.